Good morning, folks. Today I'm going to be showing you a pre-owned 2017 Lance cab over camper. It's a model 995 for a long box pickup. Let's go ahead and step inside and take a look at some of the features inside. Lance builds an all-season coach. It's got dual pane windows, nice bed, good sized TV with DVD player. It's got a single basin sink, nice mow and pull out faucet. It's got the microwave, the hood, the vent, 3-burner gas grill top, and a gas oven. For a camper, this has got real nice storage. They do a very good job with all their latches and their cabinets. You've got some more storage over here with a pull-out tray here. Nice silverware drawer here. Skylight. Wet bath. A little fan and another skylight. Also has a fantastic fan above the door here. Nice booth, and it's the quick release, turns into a bed very easily. All LED lighting, 6 cubic foot fridge freezer, nor cold. Of course, got air conditioning. It's got a nice wardrobe back here. And of course another skylight. Also closes off. You can either screen it or just a sunshade. Let's go ahead and look at the exterior. I don't know if I mentioned, but it does have some nice drawers over here. And they are the self-closing drawers. Very nice. It's got rear electric awning, 2.5 own-end generator, ladder to access your roof. Of course, Atwood heavy-duty electric remote control jacks, and a topper for your slide. Folks, this is a great used camper. It's a 2017. It looks just like it's brand new. Come on in, take a look. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. 541-521-8914. Thank you.